Welcome to this video tutorial on building an Arduino Synth Looper. This is a project I've been working on for the past few weeks, and today, I'll guide you through the steps to create it with this comprehensive virtual tutorial. First things first, you'll need an Arduino Nano, though any Arduino model will work. I chose the Nano to keep the project compact. Here's what you'll need: one Arduino Nano, two 100K rotary potentiometers, two Momentary push buttons, one SSD1306 OLED screen, some spare cables. Let's get started by connecting the OLED screen. Connect the SCL to pin 5 and the SDA to pin 4. Attach the ground and 5 volts power to their respective pins on the Arduino. Next, let's wire up the push buttons. Connect a common ground to the top right pin of each button. Then, connect the bottom left pins of the buttons to pins A1 and A2 on the Arduino, as shown in the video. For the potentiometers, connect their common ground and 5 volts power to the Arduino. Then, connect the central pins of the potentiometers to pins A0 and A3. These potentiometers will control the vertical and horizontal axes. Now, let's move on to the final part of the hardware, the audio output. In this virtual example, I'll be using a speaker connected to ground and pin 9. However, you can choose to use an audio jack or a cut-O cable if you prefer. With this last step, you've completed the hardware setup. Next, we'll move on to the software. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Arduino IDE from the official Arduino website. Once the installer is downloaded, run it and start a new sketch. The Arduino IDE interface is very clear and intuitive. First, make sure that your board is selected in the Board Manager section. After that, you're ready to paste the sketch with the entire code, which you can find in the description below. If you're enjoying this video so far, remember to like and subscribe. I have other exciting projects that I'd love to share with you. Once you've pasted the code into the IDE, ensure you have the correct libraries installed to avoid any errors. Then, verify the sketch to check that everything works correctly. Now, you're ready to upload the sketch to your board. This project isn't entirely complete yet. There are still a few things that could be improved. In the future, I aim to replace the potentiometers with rotary encoders to enhance selection accuracy and also add a CV input and output. I wanted to use the Momentary library to create more interesting sounds, but I encountered a conflict with the library. Despite this, I decided to upload this video to help those interested in Arduino music projects get started with a functional and straightforward setup. The goal of this project was to create something that requires the least number of components possible while providing a ready-to-play device. Let me know in the comments if you like it so far and what improvements you think could be made. Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.